Hello everyone. Today we're working on this 2007, I think, Jeep Cherokee Laredo, and it threw a code. And what we found, it was rough. It was running rough, and it basically sounded like, basically everything led to that there was some type of vacuum leak. And so we went searching, and really, if you look in the engine compartment, it's a 3.7 liter engine. There's really not that many, as far as vacuum, but what it is all these hard plastic lines. But what happened was we found the leak here. This is the PVC crossover pipe. It actually goes underneath the throttle body, and it connects the PVC over here to the PCV over here, to the intake over there, and it was having a huge leak because the piece of rubber right here at the end basically rubbed itself through, and you can tell by the rubber it's actually pretty worn out, probably mostly from the heat, its location. So take a look at where it really is. Okay, if you come close, if you come right under here, I don't know if you can see, I hope you can, but there it is right there. This is the PCV right here on the other side, and you can tell that it's actually being pushed by the wiring harness and also by this fuel line, and basically after a while it rubs, and basically this is here, and this is where the leak was on this one. And they do not sell just the elbow. You gotta buy the entire thing. It's not that bad. It was only like 20 bucks, but they do not sell the elbow because the elbow is where the failure point is, right on that corner. And they had the part in stock. The one we got was this one, which is similar. Oops, dropped the screwdriver there. This is the one we got. It's similar, but they told me that it was the updated version of the same thing. So I'm hoping that it will go in there and it should fit. So follow along. I didn't show you how to take this one out, and I didn't show you how to figure it out, but let's see if we can get that new piece in there without too much trouble. Okay, that's the idea today. Okay, so it already comes with, if you can tell, it already comes with a spring clip loaded on it, and the other side is just a press fit. Okay, but this side you got to release the spring. You're going to take a screwdriver right under there and pull it up, and that spring should pop, and it's actually held in there, like glued on there, so that you can't really lose it. So what we're going to do is we're going to first see if we can go under. I don't know if you can even see that. What is the use of filming sometimes? But hey, there's actually a hole over here underneath the throttle body plenum, and basically this side should go underneath here, and hopefully it will fit through there, and so that we can actually get it to sit on the other side, and then we will fish it, make the final connection. But I want to see if I can fish it through here without too much trouble. It was easy to take out because that one side was broken. I did not want to remove any part of this plenum if I don't have to. So I'm going to see if I can fish it through here. I might have to take this one boot off here. I think I'm going to do that. Give me a second. Alright, the boot came off really easily. So we're going to then feed this piece through, and it came out you can tell it came out the other side, and then we're going to route it in the right direction. Okay, and then I got to tilt that side down. Okay, so let's see how easy this is to film and do at the same time. This is going to be tricky. Okay, hopefully I got the camera angle at the right place. And so now I'm going to try to get this to actually go where it's supposed to go. Okay, and it's pretty flexible, so I don't think that's going to be the issue. Alright. Let's see if we can get this back on, because I might have to rotate it. And then we're going to rotate this thing to fit in where it goes. There we go. And again, okay, we're going to bend it. It should be fairly flexible. And then go around here and get it to come down here to the PVC area right over here. Okay, PCV area right there. Okay, let me see if I can rotate it some more. Alright. There we go. And then it goes on the other side of this. That pipe right there. That should fit right over there. I hope. Let's see. I mean, they said this isn't updated. I don't know if it's gonna fit. The pipe looks a little bit short on this side because of the manifold, as the way this one goes. So it might not be an exact fit. Huh, that's interesting. Alright, well, we're gonna still try it, but I think it's not gonna work because of the way it's bent over. Okay, let's go in front of the dipstick. I'm gonna go around and then try to come down. Oh, it's not gonna work there either. Alright, well, we're gonna have to fight it some more. New design, right. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, well, there's got a little mid there. Let's see if I can get it to stay. Is it gonna line up over here even? And all these just kind of twist, so I think it's gonna. Alright, so if I get that part on there, is it even gonna fit the other side? I think it would if it was bent a little bit differently. Huh, I don't think that's the right part. I don't think it fits. Because it has to sneak out a little bit further out here, past that tube, to get it around the dipstick. And that's my biggest dilemma right now, is that dipstick and then the intake. So, you know what, I don't want to go back to the dealer, so I think I'm going to just merge the two parts together. Let's see what happens. Alright, the only way the new part was going to work was if I went behind, and there's plenty of room up here, so I'm going to go there, and you can tell on this side that it's connected right there. I pushed it on, and this side I just slid it on, and I'm about to go and pop it. Hopefully I can reach it in there with a screwdriver. No, I can't. I'm gonna have to get a different screwdriver. Alright, let me get a smaller screwdriver. Alright, I got a little stubby. I'm gonna feel back there around where the connector is. Where is it? Right there. And then I'm gonna try to pull it out. There we go. It's tight. Just fell on the ground. I gotta go look for it now. And so there's the same rub. That's where the leak was. So I think we're gonna have the same rub again. I don't know. But I think it's gonna be a good fix, and then hopefully the leaking will be gone. So thank you for following along, and thank you for subscribing. Have a great day.